Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Experience record option not working problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to set all NVIDIA service to run automatically. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to search for NVIDIA services guys. And after getting it, you just need to double click on it and startup type set to automatic and service status. If it is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes, and then right click on it and select restart. Do the same thing for other two services guys. And after doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to update your graphics card driver. To do this, open up GeForce Experience and select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys. After updating your graphics card driver, click on the setting icon. In here you can able to see the game overlay guys. You just need to turn it off and turn it on again, and after doing this you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the GeForce Experience and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.